Let me just record this also. Okay, just to repeat, okay, what we just discussed is, and in the question they're asking us reflex angle COE. When we normally think of the angle COE, we assume that it is this angle COE. But actually, the question is asking us the reflex angle COE, which means COE only you have to take, but the other part, okay? Not this part, not this part. They're asking us this part, all right? So now I see more, anyone, I think everyone is, okay, Shiva is giving me the answer also. Yes, Shiva, your answer looks correct. Let's do it. Shiva, you want to do it with me on screen? How did you get this answer? You want to do it with me?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let's begin. So I have marked angle A, B, C, D. You want, we can mark this one also as E, just so that our communication becomes quicker, okay? That's why I'm marking this. If you have written full angle names, that's also correct. I'm just marking it so that our, in this class, our communication is quicker. Go ahead, Shiva. I know angle A plus angle B is equal to 70 degree. And I know that angle C is equal to 40 degree. Good, Shiva, continue. How did you
Sir,
do this?
angle AOB, sir, is equal to 180, sir.
Angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Beautiful. It's 180
Straight angle,
degrees.
sir.
All right.
And angle COE is equal to angle AOB minus angle AOC plus angle BOE, sir.
Okay, Shiva, you're saying angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus
Angle
what?
A plus B.
This side, this A plus this B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Shiva, you're right. But how will I write this? Will I write it angle A plus B? Like this only will I write?
No, sir.
How will I write? Can you correct what I've written?
The bracket, sir.
Bracket. Perfect, Shiva. Fantastic. Okay. Angle A plus B. That's all. Yeah. So before this, you can write one more step if you want. Okay. Like angle AOB is 180 degree you're writing. You can write A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. This is one step which you can write before. Okay. Then you're taking A plus B to this side. All right. That comes in
Yes, sir.
minus. Good enough, Shiva. So tell me what is angle COE you are getting? 180
Angle
degree.
COE is equal to 180 minus 70, sir. Is
Okay.
equal to angle COE is equal to 110 degree.
110 degree. Fantastic. Okay. So you got angle D is equal to 110 degree. Okay. You got this as 110 degree. We good so far? Anyone has any doubts? कुछ बात करना है? Anyone? No. Great. Continue, Shiva. Take it forward.
Reflex angle of BOB, sir, is equal to 360 degrees, sir.
CO, reflex angle BO. Okay. You're saying complete angle BOB. Okay.
BOB, sir.
BOB, right? So this is ऐसे बोल रहे हो ना तुम BOB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो उसको complete angle बोलेंगे ना, Shiva?
Yes,
Because
sir.
it's 360, so we can say it as complete angle. Okay, but you're right. Okay, so complete angle BOB.
Sir, reflex of COE is equal to.
Okay, so maybe writing this is not needed, but chalo, you have written it. It's fine. Continue. Reflex of COE.
COE is equal to BOB complete angle minus COE.
COE is equal to. You can directly write 360 degree minus obtuse angle COE. Okay.
Yes,
Or
sir.
you can write 360 degree minus angle D. It will be quicker. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good, Shiva. Very well done. That will be give me 360 degree minus 110. That's equal to 250 degree. Fantastic. Okay. Now what about angle BOE? Find angle BOE is also given, which means you should find angle B. This also you should find. How will you find this one, Shiva?
Sir, angle COD is equal to 180 degrees, sir.
Okay, one second. Guys, if anyone wants to take this down so far, I'm leaving it on screen. But let's continue, Shiva. Let's continue it on the right side. Okay, if anyone has a confusion, missed something, go ahead, Shiva. Continue.
Sir, angle COD straight angle 180 degrees, sir.
Angle COD, बढ़िया, क्योंकि ये एक line है. COD is a line. They have given line CD. Okay, so angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Very good.
Angle BOE is equal to.
Can you tell me this step? Can you tell me this step like this? what plus what plus what is 180 degree? Look at this diagram and tell.
So angle D plus angle C plus angle B.
But yeah,
Angle
angle
B.
D plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Very
Yes, sir.
good. What all do you know now? You already know angle D. You already know angle C. D you found out 110. C is given 40 degree. You can find B. Yeah. So finally, angle B is equal to what, Shiva? What is the answer you're getting after doing all of this?
So
180 minus 110 minus
angle
40.
BOD, no,
30
sir.
degree. 30 degree, no? Angle BOE?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. All right, guys. Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has confusion here? I would like you to unmute and speak. Okay. I would like you to unmute and speak. I'm going to leave it for 30 seconds on screen. If you need more time, unmute and speak. So I'm guessing that we are all very comfortable with this kind of questions. Is my understanding? Yeah. I want you to also notice how we are writing the steps. Okay. And maybe we should be writing reasons here also. Straight angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. We can call it as a straight angle. Okay, same for here, same here also, straight angle. Okay, just wherever there's something new, we should write reasons. Yeah, whenever we give some new information. If we have not written steps like how I have written, or at least some proper steps in which a stranger can also understand, if we have not done that, take things down. Okay. Vaishnavi is saying I use vertically opposite angles for angle B. Angle B mein where is vertically opposite angle happening, Vaishnavi?
Sir, means AOB is straight angle, sir, 180 degree. So, sir, BOD is equals to 40 degrees, sir. Then ACO is equals to 40 degrees, sir. Vertically opposite.
COA is 40 degree. Okay. That means
Then,
angle A is 40 degree, na?
Yes, sir. 40 degree plus 110 degree, then minus that.
Got it. So you basically ended up using this particular line AB in place of this line. Correct?
Yes,
You
sir.
first, that's also fine. Okay. Completely fine. All right. Anyone else has anything to discuss here? Santosh, what? Me too, me too.
Sir, I also did like that since.
Okay. Nazreen, same thing you said me too for?
Yeah, sir.
All right. Okay. So we are ready to move ahead. I'm assuming we're all good. Otherwise, stop and tell me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So we're going to move ahead now. Okay. The second question of this thing only. Let's first here in the chat. Okay. First, let me check the question. Lines XY kahan hai? XY and MN. Okay. MN are intersecting. A is to B is in the ratio 2 is to 3. Find C. Okay. All right. Darshini, is this one of the questions you have a doubt in? Or have you been? Okay. Right. Let's hear in the chat box how many of us were able to do it successfully. I want a yes or no in the chat box. Okay. Yes or no in the chat box. Please tell me no also. Please don't skip your nose. Okay. I see Shiva was not able to do it and Chandan was not able to do it. Thank you, Shiva, Chandan, for telling that. Manoj was not able to do it. Okay. Yes, with a lot of doubt. Okay. All right, Nazreen. अब वो एक बार बस है यार. Okay. What about others? I've not heard from a few people and it's difficult for me to track. So anyone who has not yet spoken. Okay. Chalo. So I see now there is something very interesting here. They have not given the angle directly, but they have given the ratio of these angles. Okay. And you know the sum. Indirectly, you also know the sum. Okay. Keeping all that in mind, we are going to approach this particular question. Okay. So Maya, would you like to do this with me? I see you have done it successfully, right?
Yes, sir.
You would like to do it with me on screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute. Where is question? Oh, sorry, wrong. Here we are. Go ahead, Sumaya. Yes.
So first we'll see what is given, sir.
Mhm.
The first information what is given very clear is, sir, angle POY is equals to 90 degree.
Okay. Angle. 1 second. ये गड़बड़ हो रहा था. 1 second, Sumaya. My screen is a little.
It's okay, sir.
Oh, yes. Okay. Now it's coming. Okay. So you're saying angle C. Oh, angle
POY.
POY. Okay. Angle POY is 90 degree. That's given. You're talking about this particular angle. Fine. Okay.
And
Okay.
angle A is to angle B, which is equals to 2:3. So that ratio is given.
Hmm.
So first thing we'll do is, sir, we'll take A as 2x and B as 3x.
Very good. Whenever we have, thank you, Sumaya, just to clarify to the class, this is something you learned in linear equations chapter last year, I assume?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, A is
Yes.
2x and B as 3x. Okay, whenever you have some ratios given, you don't know exactly what their actual quantities are. Maybe A might be 50 and B might be 75. Okay, we don't know. Maybe A is 100 and B is 150. Okay, but whatever their actual quantities are, when you divide A by B, suppose it's 100 and 150, you should get 2 by 3. Okay, and just to clarify, this is coming from where 2 into some dabba, 3 into some dabba is giving us this 100 or this 150. Same way, 2 into some dabba, 3 into some dabba is giving us 50 and 75 also. Okay, you see 2 into 25 will give us 50 and 3 into 25 will give us 75. Okay, basically the same number is getting multiplied with A and with 2 and with 3 to give us A and B. Are we clear about this part? That is the reason for us taking A as 2x and B as 2x, because whatever it is, when I simplify it, when I take A by B and simplify, I'll get 2 by 3. Give me a fist to 5, or let me see on screen if you are clear about this. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, on screen thumbs up. This concept is clear why we are taking 2x and 3x. Simply we are not taking 2x, 3x. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if this is good. Okay. I see something from everyone. I think one person is missing. I have, who's that person? Okay, Nazreen is joining back. All right. Okay. Nazreen, I think you missed this part, but Sumaya was saying us, okay, angle POY is 90 degree. Angle A is to angle B is equal to 2:3, right? So Sumaya said we'll take A as 2x and B as 3x. Is this clear to you, Nazreen, why we take it like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you understand, if I, whatever x is, that will get cancelled when I do A by B. Yeah. So the ratio will come to be 2:3. Okay. That's my original reason. And I'm glad you guys are very fluent in this. Okay. So continue, Sumaya. Please continue.
Okay, sir. So angle POY plus angle XOP is equals to 180 degrees, sir.
Very good. The reason being they are forming a. Yes, you're correct. Two angles. No, we can use the word pair. So tell me what are they forming? Yeah, they are forming a linear pair. Okay, guys, notice XOP, that is this angle, and POY is this angle, and XY is a line. It is given lines XY. Simply, we are not assuming XY is 180 degree. They have given it's a line. Okay, that's why we are assuming it's 180 degree. That's very important. Thank you, Sumaya. Continue.
Then, sir, angle A plus angle B plus 90 degree, which is angle POY, is equals to 180 degrees, sir.
Very good. So in place of POY, I'm going to write 90 degree. In place of XOP is B plus A. Okay, so I'm going to write plus this plus here. Okay, plus angle A plus angle B. Okay, I'll just leave writing angle now. In the end, we can write. Okay, it's equal to 180 degree. Please continue, Sumaya. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Angle A plus angle B is 2x plus 3x, sir. So we'll convert that.
Very good.
90
So
degree
90
plus.
degree plus. Here we'll write 2x plus in place of B, we'll write 3x. Continue, Sumaya.
Is equals to 180 degree.
Very good.
Sir, we will I forgot the word. We will minus 90 from both sides, sir.
Okay. 180 minus 90, left side 90 is gone. Okay.
So right side it will be the answer will be 2x plus 3x is equals to 90.
Can you do this also? 2x plus 3x is how much?
5x, sir.
5x is equal. So we get 5x is equal to 90. So x is equal to
90 by 5.
That is equal to 18 degree. Okay.
18
So
degree.
how much is A?
A is
18. It's equal to, tell me.
36, sir. And 3 is equals to 3 into 18, 54.
Okay. Finally, when you're writing the answer, write angle A, angle B. So this is equal to 54 degree. All right. Anyone has a confusion of how Sumaya reached A and B? Shiva and Chandan, I want to hear from both of you how you're feeling about this.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
What about Shiva?
Understood, sir.
Great. Darshini, you have a question. Go ahead.
Sir, not a question, sir. Like, can you just like briefly explain, like summarize what?
Briefly, Darshini. Okay. See, there's only one extra thing from the previous question. Okay, that is the fact that some ratio is given. Okay. If last year's linear equations, okay, there were questions in which you must have seen chocolates are distributed in the ratio of 2:3 between Darshini and Deepa. Okay, total number of chocolates is 50. How much does each person get? Okay, so Darshini's number of chocolates is 2x. Deepa's number of chocolates is 3x. 2x plus 3x is equal to 50. How much does each person gets? It becomes a linear equation in one variable, Darshini. Okay, one variable, one equation we can solve anytime, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we want to make an equation which is one variable. Okay, if we use A and B, we are going to have two variables. That won't work. Okay, but we want to make it one variable, so we are doing, in place of writing, if we know whatever A and B is, when we divide A by B, we get 2 by 3, right? So that's 2 into something and B is 3 into something. So whenever we divide A by B, we will get 2x by 3x. Okay, this xx gets cancelled. 2 by 3 we should get. This one we should get. Okay, simplest form the ratio is written. Okay, so far Darshini, you're good?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's why we are assuming, let A be 2x, let B be 2x. Okay, let this angle be 2x, let this angle be 3x. Okay, because when we take the ratio, we'll get that only. Now we need to find what is x. If we find x, we'll be able to find A simply by multiplying into 2. We'll be able to find B simply by multiplying into 3. Okay, now you forget about A and B and you see 3x plus 2x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's basically this thing. Okay, for reaching this thing, Sumaya has given these steps. Okay, first you write this angle plus this angle, then this angle you break into A and B. Then in place of A, you write 2x. In place of B, you write 3x. All that steps Sumaya has given. Okay, but if you just look at it, if you just were to directly write 3x plus 2x plus angle POY is equal to 180. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is also correct. All right. All right, you're just skipping this step and going to the next one. Okay, so far?
Yes, sir.
Now you're solving that equation. Now it has become, now you forget about degree, you forget about everything. Now you have an equation in x. Okay. One equation, one variable, you're able to solve.
Yes, sir.
That's how we come to this part where we have x equal to 18 degree. Once we get x ka value, we can find A ka value and B ka value. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any questions now?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, we have found A and B only till now. Okay, but I want to check if we have yet to find C. Some of you might have already got, but we have to. Isme koi question hai? Now, does anyone have any questions? Vaishnavi, you're raising your hands. Go ahead.
Sir, it's not a doubt in this one, sir, but a question, sir. So,
Okay.
sir, when I was seeing
Okay.
the textbook, sir, so, sir, behalf of this, I got something else, sir.
What?
Angle A is equals to 2 by 5 into 90 degree is equals to 336, sir. Means it's the same thing, sir, but we are doing something else here, sir. The textbook had different, sir, but I converted for this question, sir. So
Which textbook, Vaishnavi, is that?
Sir, this textbook only, sir, the thing which you are showing now, sir.
Okay.
Gagan has shared a PDF in the group, sir. So I was stuck in this problem. So I thought to go through the textbook, sir. So that time I got the thing, sir.
Can you share that PDF with me also?
Yes, sir, I share now.
Okay. Guys, I will encourage you not to refer to guides, okay? I will really encourage you not to refer to guides. I know that all of us will find the ready-made solutions online. If we are doing that, we will struggle a little bit later on, okay? Whatever we do, if it's coming from what we already know, it is going to be way, way simpler for you when you go to write your board exams, okay? Keeping that point in mind, okay? The only time we should go to refer a guide is when all our options are over, okay? We have spent hours thinking about a question, we have not been able to do it. Then also ask your teacher, ask your friend to better than going to a guide, okay? If you don't have a teacher available, if you don't have someone to guide you available, then you go to a ready-made answer thing online, okay? Otherwise, that's my real encouragement, because they will assume things about us. They will assume, okay, now see, suppose the 2 by 5 into 90 degree. This is actually a very simple thing, okay? But it's not coming naturally to us, okay? We are used to this method. Use the method which you're used to. It's simple, okay? So I'll just explain this quickly for Vaishnavi's sake, okay? Vaishnavi, I want your attention here. Hello?
Yes,
I want you to
sir.
speak, yeah? Vaishnavi, this angle, okay? Angle P, I'm going to talk to you in terms of fractions, okay? In terms of very basic fractions, okay? Fundamental fractions. Guys, I want everyone's attention, okay? Because this way of writing is good, okay? But it is not very clear all the time. So I'm just going to do it once, okay? This full angle is being treated as our whole, okay? This is our whole. Okay, Vaishnavi? Now, how many parts our whole has been divided into, Vaishnavi? With 2x and 3x, how many parts our whole has been divided into? Vaishnavi, go ahead.
Sir, I dropped off. If you can repeat it, sir.
Vaishnavi, I'm saying that this full angle, okay, angle POX is our whole, okay? This is our whole.
Yes, sir. It's divided into 2 parts, sir.
No, it's not divided into 2 parts actually. It's divided into 5 parts, Vaishnavi, okay? Out of these 5 parts, these are the 5 parts, okay, Vaishnavi? Stay with me here. I'm just going to explain this to you. This particular is 2 parts are taken together and 3 parts are taken together here, okay? Just to go to basic fractions, if we were to go to basic fractions, this is how it would look, okay? This is my whole. Can you see the left side of the screen? This is my whole. I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, okay? And I am putting 2 of these parts and I'm calling that as A. And I'm putting 3 of these parts and I'm calling that part as B. Vaishnavi, this is what has happened. This kind of fraction division has happened with angle POX. This full thing is my, this full thing is my angle POX. Vaishnavi, are you getting me?
Yes, sir, I got you.
Yeah, and now this is just the natural understanding we have of ratios, right? Ratio is what? Some whole has been divided into parts like this, okay? Now, how much is A? A is 2 by 5 of that whole. How much is B? B is 3 by 5 of that whole. And what is the whole? What is angle POX? Angle POX is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. We know that because this is already 90 degree. Okay. So 2 by 5 into 90 degree, 3 by 5 into 90 degree. Vaishnavi, good so far?
Yes, sir. I did the same thing here, sir. So I was asking if that's
But you
correct.
do not understand how that happened, no, Vaishnavi. You did that same thing because you referred to a text, referred to a ready-made answer, which is waste if you're doing that in maths. Okay, that's all okay in social science and all, where you see a ready-made answer and do it. In maths, it's not okay. I have no way of checking that all the time. Okay, because you might do it, but I will really encourage you not to do that. Okay, that's just one thing which I want to say. This is for everyone, Gagan or whoever else uses it. Okay, whichever group you share it in, please avoid using it. Okay, it is for your good. If you use it, I have no way of knowing. Okay, I might think that you have done this yourself. Okay, just one small piece of advice from me. Your choice in the end, not your choice. I mean, it will be something which will not help you in the long run. Just that. Okay. Okay, Vaishnavi. Gagan, does it
Thank
make
you,
sense?
sir.
Yeah, no problem,
Got it, sir.
Vaishnavi. Okay. Gagan, does it make sense what I just told? Hey, Gagan. Okay. Gagan, I'm not hearing from you, but it's okay. Let's continue. Now we have found B and A. What do we need to find now? They're asking us to find C. Sumaya, you want to take it up from here?
Yes, sir. Let me continue. Sir, we'll do another thing, which is angle MOX plus angle XON is equals to 180 degree, and it's linear pair.
Very good. This is why. Why is it linear pair? Why is it linear pair? Question में क्या दिया है? जल्दी से बताओ.
Lines XY and MN are
Very
intersecting.
good. That MN is a line. That's why it's a linear pair. Okay. MN is a line. That's why it's a linear pair. Good. Continue.
So, sir, angle XON is equals to 180 degree minus angle MOX.
Okay. We can use ABC, Sumaya. It's going to be quicker for us.
Okay, sir. Angle C is equals to 180 degree.
Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Fantastic. You know angle B is 54 degree. You can find angle C. Okay. That's how much, Sumaya. Angle C is equal to, finally, after doing all steps,
126 degree.
126 degree. Fantastic. Okay. So that's our answer. Chandan, Shiva, Vaishnavi, we good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Shiva, can I
Yes,
hear
sir.
from you? Okay, great. Manoj, you're raising your hands. Do you have a confusion here?
Not question, sir, but another way, sir, for doing the last thing.
Just hold it, okay, guys. I'm going to give you 1 minute. If Chandan, Shiva, you need things to be copied down, I'm going to give you 1 minute. Manoj,
Done.
quickly tell me your other way.
Sir, we can like using vertically opposite angles, no, sir. We can find out YON, sir. Then we can do linear pair also, no, sir.
Yeah, fine. Same thing like previous question. Yeah, Bhumika, what's your doubt?
Yeah, so same thing I did, vertically
Okay,
opposite angle.
but I'm kind of not understanding. Same here also. When in the previous question, when Nazreen and who else was there? I think Amruta, right? When you also did that, I'm not understanding that why you need to do that. Okay, the reason I'm saying is, guys, Manoj and Bhumika, watch this very carefully. Nazreen, all of you, Nandini, whoever did it that way, okay, watch it very carefully. MN is a line. Okay, it need not be flat like XY. Still, MN is a line. No, you are catching your ear by going around your head instead of catching your nose by going around your head. MN is a line. Take this only. No, why you want to again take this and then take this as XY as a line? Same idea, only you're using linear pair. Yeah, simply you're going around one extra step you're writing. Bhumika and Manoj, Nandini, Nazreen, do you get this feedback?
Yeah, sir, got it.
Yeah, it is unnecessary because you are finally using the same reason only. You are actually, it shows that you are not able to see that MN is a line. It shows a little bit foolishness, a little bit lack of alertness from your side. It shows that you are thinking only line should be flat only. Like that feeling I'm getting. Okay. You should not think like the line can be in any direction, right? This is a line. MN is a line. Why don't you use this line? Why do you have to use a flat line only? Manoj, you're getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I would, yeah, if there is a shorter way, use that. Write all steps, but use the shortest path if you are able to identify it. And that's one feedback from you. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to wrap this up. This particular question I'm going to I'm going to move ahead. Yeah. Set 2 में, let's do it this way. Okay. Which question would you like me to discuss in set 2? We have 4 questions. I want you to take a minute and type in the chat box which question you found it difficult and you would like me to discuss. I'll be back in 30 seconds. I'll just use the washroom and come. Okay, guys. Not everyone has responded, but I see mostly people saying fourth. Fourth, maza aayega. Who's saying question 1? Sumaya. Okay. Darshni is saying question 2. Chandran is saying question 3. Okay. Baki, everyone is saying 4. I'll wait for another 10 seconds. If you have some preference, type it in the chat box. Otherwise, I'm picking fourth for now. Okay. But Sumaya, I really like that you have asked question 1 or question 2. Okay. The first, you're asking this one only, right? This one you're asking, no, Sumaya?
Yes, sir, that one.
Okay. And can you tell me where are you struggling? Where is the one thing which you are not able to conclude, or what is causing a problem?
Sir, I am not getting it at all, sir, from the start. It's very confusing for some reason.
Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Nazreen, you're raising your hands. तुमको कुछ बोलना है?
Hi, sir.
Go ahead.
Can I
Go
help
ahead.
Sumaya with that question?
You want to do the first question? You don't want to do this question with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, Nazreen. Quickly. Yeah, let's be snappy about it.
Okay, sir. So as all the lines are parallel, sir, except so angle Y and angle which is just we have not named it, sir.
Okay. Which angle are you talking? This angle?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, let's call this A. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So angle Y and angle A will be corresponding, sir. So they will have the same degree, sir.
Angle Y is equal to angle A. Okay.
So angle A plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree.
Very good.
And in the question, it's given that Y is 3, sir.
Okay. So let's not use the word X because X is already there. Let's use 3K and Z as 7K. Okay.
Okay, sir. So now we will write an equation. So 3K plus 7K is equal to 180 degree.
So are you following? In place of A, we are writing Y. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 3K plus 7K is equal to 180 degree. Basically, you'll end up getting K as 18 degree, I think.
Okay, sir. So
10K is equal to 180 degree. K is equal to 18 degree.
18
okay.
Degree.
So you got Y, you got Z. Now you can find X also. Sumaya, how can we find X, Sumaya? Sumaya, did you get how we got Y
yes,
and Z?
Sir,
Yeah?
Yes, sir, I got.
Once you find K, you can find Y and Z, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. How do we find X?
So just like we found, I'm not sure. Sir.
Which property can help us find X? Okay, go ahead, Manoj, you want to tell?
Alternate interior angle, sir.
Where do you have alternate interior angle will be here. Okay, first you will find this, then you will find this, you're saying?
Sir, we found Y, no, sir.
Huh?
So it alternate interior angle, then it will become near X, no, sir.
But okay, you're again okay. Again, one more thing.
Then
Direct property, what you can use? Directly, what you can use? Can you write X plus Y is equal to 180 degree?
Yeah, sir.
Same. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Manoj, directly, one step. X plus Y is equal to 180 degree, right?
Yes.
interior angles on same side of transversal. We good? Yeah? That will
Yes,
help
sir.
us find all the angles. Okay. Sumaya, are we on a 5? Are you on a 5?
Yes, sir.
Sumaya, 6 to 5, you're on a 5. Okay, cool. Question number 3, question number 4. Okay. We are actually at the end of this class, but I have one more period with you guys. So ऐसा करते हैं. Okay, let me do one more question and then we'll wrap up. Okay, question number 3. Okay, question 3. Figure. Who wanted this question? Third wala. Chandan, no? AB is parallel to CD.
Sir, there is no first question, no, sir. In that, I said fourth one, sir.
So you meant this one. So did Darshini, did you want this one?
No, sir. The second and fourth one. That's it.
Okay, so anyone wants this one? No one wants this one. Can someone who is, does anyone mean this one, please unmute? Otherwise, I'll not do it because it's quite direct, quite easy. But if you want me, unmute and tell me. Yes, sir, I want. I go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
You want Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do it quickly then. So we have AB parallel to CD. ठीक है. EF perpendicular to CD. Okay, this is perpendicular. All right. And GED, angle GED. This full angle is 126 degree. All right. Find angle AGE. AGE का है? AGE is this one. That is 126 only. Alternate interior angle. GEF. Angle GEF around say 126 minus 90. Angle FGE. FGE. Okay, Manoj. So I'll quickly explain this to you. Okay, let me write this as A, this one as B, and this one as C. Okay, Manoj, is B good?
Yes, sir.
Manoj, can you see here that AE is a transversal? Are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If A is a transversal, can you say angle A is equal to 126 degree because it's alternate interior angle?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. This particular line is a transversal. This and this are forming alternate interior angles. We good, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Angle A you got. Can you find angle B?
Yes, sir. Linear pair, sir. 180
Linear
degree.
pair. Great. How can you find angle C?
126 minus 90 degrees.
Perfect. Okay. 126. Got it. All right. So we are at the close of this class. Next I wanted to do a new topic. We'll do that next in our, I think 12 o'clock we have class, right? In that class, we'll do that new topic. We'll also discuss this particular question, the fourth one. Okay. We'll also discuss this particular question. Yeah. This will take us some 5-10 minutes. All right, guys. Take a break. See you at 12. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Bye.